Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Tuesday, September 28, 2021. Another volatile roller coaster for the last 2 days in the stock market, with the volatility index and a 10-year yield index also breaking a recent trading trend and return to the positive trend. That's called a 3.3 drop on the technology stock, and the SP 500 lost 2.3% in the last 2 days. And the consumer confidence dropped to 6-month low. So in the short term, we are negative on the road stock. And let's see, after the sideways correction here, the market that will find a support and turn around. So as you know, September and October is still a choppy month, so we will still stay in the buy and the sell zone until they get out of the range-bound zone here, and then we'll continue to the upside. Now let's take a look on the major indices to see where they are, so that we can see when the correction will be over. So right now, if you look at the chart here, that's the immediate SP 500. So last year, as you can see here, they do this one here in September, and then they find a way to put it back up, they slam it out before they can start another uptrend to the Christmas rally. So this year, right now, we see it look like a very similar pattern here. So let's see it. They will put it up, put it back down, and then they find a way up, and then but we still very choppy in the month of September and October. So right now, when this level here, the market is correct 5%, they put it back up. So if they take this low here, and then we'll probably look for 10%, but if they hold up here, and the market will be ran bound and find a way back from the buy zone to the sell zone. Okay, so look at the Nasdaq. It also they get heavy saw up because the 10-year Treasury yield it push it back up. So that caused the interest rate to go higher. So that caused a lot of damage on the technology stock, as you can see here. But at this moment, they also have some support at this level here. So let's see if they can hold on and looking for some kind of rebound. Okay, on the ES short term, as you can see here, they pull back down. So right now we're right at the support area here. So tomorrow we're looking for some kind of rebound. And then let's see if they can pass the area here and then give it more clue where they are heading to. Okay, and if you look into the Dow, it also found a support here. They put it back up, they slam it down, but they hold up here. So let's see tomorrow they'll be able to put it up and retest the sell zone again. So this is the buy zone, this is sell zone, so they still go sideways here. Look at the Russell 2000, it still hang tight, they break out, they put it back up, they hit to the sell zone, they pull back down today, but they still hold tight to the upside. So let's see, tomorrow we'll be able to put it back up again. So we still in the range-bound choppy market on the Russell 2000. So if you look at the crude oil it tried to make the all-time back at the high yesterday here, and then they give up this level here, they pull back down. So this is the top resistance here, but the overall trend is still bullish. This one here, the resistance. So let's see if they can hold on to it, and let's see what they're going to do next in the next couple of days there. Look at the gold, it also continue to drop to the outside, to the downside. They have some support here, but the overall trend is still bearish. Look at the Bitcoin, it also dancing around in the buy zone here. So if they can clear this downtrend line here, we're looking for the push it up. Also the Ethereum, it also they are found a support at the buy zone here. If they can get out and clear this downtrend line here, they will continue to put it up. Also the transportation is still dancing around over here, but a lot of stock in the transportation they are still in trouble. They try to get up, couldn't do it. They get out here, so you see a lot of stock like FedEx. Okay, they are still continue to the downside. UPS a little bit better, but they are not going anywhere right now. Also, it's still in a downtrend. But today we see some industrial stock try to bounce it back up, as you can see here, and then they looking for to put it back to the upper downtrend line there. Look at all the sector of SP 500. You can see that they are still choppy around here. The material sector is still put it back and forward, but it's still in the downtrend. The software service, communication service is still in trouble at the technology stock is pushing down. The energy stock is still strong, but they hit to the first level of resistance. They go too fast, so they need to pull back now before they can continue to the uptrend. Financial sector, with the interest rate in re, they will help the financial sector, but today they hit right into the top here, couldn't punch to it, so they slam it down again. Okay, and look at the industrial, it's also choppy around there. The technology XLK is still on the downside, so this is the level of support. They need to hold up at this level there. The consumer table is still continue to go down the downside, so they have a strong support at this level there. Okay, the real estate it also gets slammed because the interest rate go higher, so they also came down here. They have a support at this level also. The XLV with the healthcare it also turn around, and then they are very weak after they hit the double top here, pull back higher. They continue to pull back down. So you see a lot of stock in this sector that used to be doing well, but now they all turn around to the downside. Like Moderna, they come back, they fell at the sell down here, and they continue to put it back down. Johnson is trying to find a support, and Pfizer is also trying to find a support at this level. But a lot of good stock like IEGN, they continue to headed to the south until they found a support in this area there. Look at the FANG stock, a lot of technology stock, they get hurt today, like Apple is still continue to put back down. So they have a strong support in this area too. Amazon is also dropped down here, and let's see if they can hold up at the moving average here. The Bank of America is strong, but they run up too fast, so they need some pull back a little bit before they can resume the uptrend. Facebook still have some issue here. They try to stabilize in this area. Let's see if they can hold on to it. But Google is also make a low here, so they break a support here. So all the growth stock they are in the correction right now. So you have to stay away from those stock for a little bit. Actually, look at the tech software. It also rock right now, and they have a support at this level there. Okay, and a couple of stuff in there. Also, Microsoft is also trying to looking for support in that area there. Netflix is still hangs high in the sideways, but they are still hold up very well there. Tesla is also put it up down. The over trend is still bullish. They hit to the first level of resistance, so they pull back down, but the over trend is still bullish. Okay, so a lot of oil stock they run too fast, and then they get hit trying to sell zone. They drop like rock. As you can see here, a lot of them they try to put it back up, but Chevron is still on, BVN is still very strong. They run up for the last 2 weeks, so somehow, somewhere they have to pull back. Okay, a lot of strong oil stock they hit to the sell zone, so you have to be careful. Okay, they're all doing well, but they run too fast. You know, from here to here, definitely people will take profit. So you have to be a little bit caution on the stock market. Okay, when they hit to the sell zone, take the profit, and let's see how they are laid out first. Okay, so trading is a risky business. So that's why you need to learn how to read the chart, so you know where to get in and where to get out, so that you can make money when the market is sideways, round like this. So you have to be nimble. All right, so that's all I have for you today, and let's see it how the market is doing tomorrow and Thursday, and then I will keep update for you to see where we are heading to. So at this moment, I think that the market is still trying to in the sideways, but in the short term, we're looking for some kind of rebound after the big drop today. Okay, and let's see how far they can put it back up, and we will let you know. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below, and be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.